Okay, we want to go on how to set our strategy. I'm Chukuma Kingsley. Let's go to this is the app MetaTrader 5. Our MetaTrader 5 app. Remember, because many people are saying, okay, that the money you use in trading is too big. Money you need to use to start is big. So that you need $100. You need this thing. So I showed you guys how we funded $5. You have to be careful with this platform so you won't enter a trade anyhow. Okay, this was a loss. Balance, look at this. This balance is showing $5. This is the money we put. We're placing $5. Okay, so we funded $5 and now to show you how you can install the strategy. Now this is what you are going to do. The first thing you do is you are seeing the candlestick. The candlestick is showing green and red. So we want it to be blue and red. So you click on the screen, you touch the screen. You see, anywhere you touch on the screen, this circle will show. You touch the setting icon. You come to the color. I like to be color on white. Leave it like that. Color on white. Set it to be color on white. When you touch it, look at it. Custom black. You can use custom. You can use color on white. Let me use color on white. So you come bar up. Want to set LD up and down. Anything up and down. Want to set it. Bar up should be blue. Bar down should be red. This is the red here. Boo candle. Boo is up. Is red. Blue. Bear candle is red. That is the candlestick now. Is red. Red here. Then you now come bid and ask. Bid is a bear. That line, that two straight line that is moving up and down. Bid is blue. Ask is red. You now click done. Wow, beautiful. I see in the market now. Now I want you to know, when you want to trade, we start from the daily. When we are starting from the daily. Now let me show you what I mean. You go to the daily now, D1. Look at D1 candle that started today, which is this candle here, is buy, and I entered late. This candle is buying. Then you go to H4. H4 candle that started today is buying. Do you see where I enter late. This candle is buying. Then you now go to H1. You see H1 candle. You see where it started. I'm supposed to enter here, this place, but I will enter here, but the thing has moved. I went to enter here, so I enter late. Please, if you are late like this and you are a newborn babe, don't enter. So I'm supposed to enter in this candle here. I'll go back again. Make sure that the D1 candle is blue for buy, that is going up, blue. Then the H4 candle is blue. Then the H1 candle is blue. That is buying, is going up. So the H4, the D1, the H4 and the H1 will be the same, blue. Now the next thing you determine will now be on the strategy. Yes, notice when you want to sell, make sure that the D1 is red. The D1 is red, like the way it's red here. Then H4 is red, like the way it's red here. Then H1 is red. H1 is red, like the way it's red here. So we see that it's blue now. That is why I enter this buy. Now we want to set the strategy. I am expecting this market. Let me quickly explain market structure. Market structure is simply that when the market gets to where you have gotten to before, it has a possibility of going back. Like for example, you can see this market was buying from here. Let me explain from here. From here, it was buying. It move upward, buy. It buy to this place. It buy again. It buy again. This is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Then it stopped here and it came to this place and buy and went down and start selling. This sell now starts from here, day 1, day 2. Let's continue. Day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. 7 days it has been selling, and now we are expecting this buy to start, and this buy is in day 3 now. Look at, I'm entering late. Day 1, day 2, day 3 now, and this is day 3 I'm entering now. So I am expecting that this buy should move and come to this place, this point here. So because I know before you get to this place, it will definitely it will move up and down and down. So I just want to take it from here. Do you see? Look at my loss. From here to here is what I'm risking. I'm risking from here to here, and my profit is from here to here. This is more than 1:3, and it's more than 1:4. It's more than 1:5. My profit should be around this place. I might want to take my profit in this place because I found out that there is where a sale also ended in this place. So I can take it from here, and the next day I went to another one. So now I want to install the strategy so that you can see what I mean by this. So how to install the strategy? Are you seeing this market? Are you seeing it? Now we want to install the strategy now. Let's go to H4 so you see clearly. H4, are you seeing it? You seeing this thing? Okay, now let me go to my notepad. Okay, this is my notepad here. So the first thing we are going to be installing are the moving averages. Now let's see them. The first thing you will install is simple moving average 360 set to close color black to tell you the main trend continuation. Do you see now? Simple moving average 360 set to close color black. Okay, now you are going to click at this F at the bottom. Let me show you. Click on this place, this F there. That's where you are going to set the strategy. So now let's do it now. I click on the F, moving average. Look at this moving average here. 360 set. So leave the shift at 0. Simple. This method instead of exponential, simple. Let me go back. Simple moving average 360 set to close color black. 360 simple. Set to close. Yeah, this is set to close. Apply to close. You now apply to close. Then color black. Done. What is it? Okay, we set it again. Moving average 360 is not showing, so we set it again. 360 sector method will be simple moving average method. Simple. Apply to close. Color what? Black. As you need now, click on done. Do you see it? This black line. You see the black line? That is sloping. So the next one we are going to be setting. Do you see it is moving upward? Now the next thing we are going to be setting is simple moving average. Set to close color red. Simple moving average 50. Set to close color red. So we come here. Click on that F. You click on this F here. You click on moving average. Then you erase this one. 50. Simple close. Apply to close. Red. Then done. Do you see the red right there? Are you seeing the red? Okay. So the next one we are going to be setting is simple moving average 110, 170, 230, 290. All set to close color graded orange. You seen it? Orange to show the smooth flow of price. 110, 170, 230, 290. 110. Okay, the first one is all set to color orange, graded orange, graded orange, graded orange. So now come. The first one is 110. Moving average, moving average, moving average, 110. Moving average, 110. Simple, close, graded orange. Is there orange? Okay, are you seeing the orange? Look at the orange here. This at the top. You click on the first one, the second one, the third one. Okay. Click on the first orange. Are you seeing it? Okay. Let me show you the color here. I'll show you from here to here. Are you seeing it? All this orange here. Okay, so we are going to use this one. Wait. We are going to use, just watch all the one I'm touching. We are going to use this. We are going to use that first one. We'll use this one. Isn't it? The next one. We use the next one. Then we use the last one. No, this is not the last one yet. After we use this next one. Okay. After we use this one. We'll also use this one. Then the next one we are going to be using is this one. We'll jump the middle one. Then the other one we are going to be using is this one. You see it? So we are going to be using that 4. So now let's do it. So the first one, I click on it. You now click on done. Are you seeing the orange there? The orange is showing now. Are you seeing it there? Okay. It's showing now. It's showing now. It's showing now. So the next thing you are going to do is to set the other one. We have set 110. The next one is that is number 3 now. Simple moving average 110, 170. 170. Click on this place. Click on this F. Moving average. Instead of 110, turn it to 170. 170. Simple close. Then the next orange I told you. The next one. Click on done. Are you seeing it there? Are you seeing it? So it's not so orange now. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the orange? Okay. Let's go to the next one. The next one will be here. simple moving average 170. We have set 170. 230. 230 moving average. Moving average, simple moving average. Moving average 230. 230. Simple moving average. Close. You jump. I told you jump the orange, the other orange. Now use this one, the other one. So you click on done. You seen it? You seen it? Okay. So the next one we are going to be using is 290. 290. The average 290. 290. Yeah. Done. Done. So are you seeing the four? The four of them are here, right here. Let's go to the 1 minute. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it right here? Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you look at the red, then look at the black. So the next thing we are going to be doing, to set the other one. So exponential number 4. Exponential moving average 5. Set to typical price. High, low, close over 3. Color aqua blue. So exponential moving average 5. Exponential moving average 5. Exponential moving average 5. Okay. Then click on the function again. Click on this one. And click on moving average. What is the number 5? 5. It's not simple. Exponential. I apply to typical price. I look close over 3. Okay. Then blue, aqua blue. Look at the aqua blue here. Aqua blue. Let me show you the aqua blue. I just think that one that is good. So good. Aqua blue there. You now click on done. Are you seeing the blue? There is a blue something now in the screen. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? This is the blue something here right now. This blue something here right now. So that is the blue. I see our profits is moving. It's moving. Already $3. $3 plus moving. Okay. So next thing we are going to do, we are still setting the strategy. Yes. We are still setting the strategy. So we have set the aqua blue. We have set the aqua blue. We have set the aqua blue. Okay. We have set the aqua blue. So the next thing we are going to be doing now Setting the next one. Let's go to the next one. 5. Exponential moving average 5. Sec 2. Typical price. I look close. Color pink. Exponential moving average 5. Number 5 now. Exponential moving average 12. Set to typical price. I look close. Color pink. So then okay. It's loading. Network. Okay. This is the daily candle is just starting by 1, so I'm doing this by 1 a.m. right now. 2 a.m. now. So I'll be awake since the network now. Okay. So I've forgotten it. I need to go back. Number 5. Exponential moving average 12. Set to typical price. I look over theory. Okay. Exponential. I click on it. Moving average 12. Exponential typical price. I look over theory. What was it color? Pink. I've got pink. Pink here. Do you see where show good? The place that show good. There is pink there. Come on. Where is the pink? Oh my. Have you seen it? It look like red. Look at the pink here. Have you seen it? This is the pink here. This is the aqua blue. This is the pink here. Have you seen it? So this simple strategy will give you a lot of money. You see, we have almost double our account from $5 to $10. Equity $10. That means 100% of your account size. Wow, you have made 100% of your account size. 5/5, 100%. Let's see how it goes. So now the next thing we are going to be checking the setting. Number 6. Exponential moving average theory. Sec 2. Typical price. I look close. Color yellow. Color what? Yellow. Exponential moving average theory. Moving average. Theory. Exponential. Typical price. Wait. Okay, yes, it's exponential. Color yellow. You see the yellow right there? Yeah, so good. Okay. Typical price. Exponential. Done. Am I seeing the yellow? The yellow is not showing. I'll click it again. Option. Moving average. Theory. Exponential. Typical price. I look close over theory. Then you now come to yellow. You seen it? Yellow. Then I seen the yellow. Look at the yellow here. This yellow, this blue, and this pink, they follow the price. They move according to the way the candlestick is moving. Are you seeing it? So this, I want to show you how to first of all use these indicators on the screen. These indicators on the screen. Okay, so this is how you use it. How do you use it? Let's go back. Now, simple moving average 360 set to close, color black. To tell you the main trend continuation. 350 now. This 350, the color black 350 is telling you the main trend continuation. Where do you determine it? You determine it in the 1 minute. On the 1 minute. You determine that on the 1 minute. See the move. We determine that on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute. So let's go to 1 minute. M1 is 1 minute. So do you know what we are going to do right here? So you determine that on the 1 minute. See, this market will come here on the daily now. So let's go to the 1 minute. Let me explain the black for you. The black for you. Now I want to show you something. We have doubled our account, right? We have doubled our account. Am I right? We have doubled our account. So we still move. So this black here, you see the slope of the black? The black is sloping like this, and it starts sloping upward. Start sloping upward. The black is sloping upward. The black is sloping upward. You look at it here. Are you seeing it? So this black is telling you that this trend will continue to go up. It will continue to go up. So then that is for the black. The black on the 1 minute tells you that the trend will continue to go. Look, it's starting now. It's just starting now, sloping upward. Then the next thing we are going to be looking at, number 2, simple moving average 50 set to close, color red, to tell you the main trend correction. So let's go. The trend correction, which means this trend now, the correction of this trend is the red. The red is sloping upward. It's telling you the correction is that this trend is a buy. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? It's sloping upward. Look at the red. It's sloping upward. But it is not bending at all. It's sloping upward. The red is sloping upward. So it's telling you that the trend is buying. It's going up. It's buying. This red now is telling you the trend is buying. It's going up. Then the next thing you are going to determine is simple moving average 110, 170, 230, 290. What are they doing? Let's go back. Okay. All set to color. All set to close, color graded orange to show you the smooth flow of price. Now, this tells you the smooth flow of price. What tells you the smooth flow of price? This orange, all this orange here, this graded orange, they are the one that tells you how smooth price is going. I see they are arranging now. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. This one is just arranging. Then this one will arrange. This one follow. This one follow. This one follow. So now, what we are going to be doing right here. I see it. So okay, let me look for where they arrange. Okay, like when I see when this market was selling, when it was selling, look at the way they arranged. Look at the way they arranged. They are sloping downward. So we expect this kind of things to show. Okay, like before when it was buying. Are you seeing the slope? They are sloping upward. So we expect this kind of slope to show on the 1 minute. We expect this kind of slope to show like this. Are you seeing it? Look at when it was buying, it was sloping like this. Are you seeing it? It was sloping upwards. Are you seeing it? Before here, it started sloping downwards. Now we are on another slope. It's sloping upward right now. Are you seeing the slope? It's sloping upward right now. So all this when they are tangling together, like in this place, you see they tangle together. Then in this other place, you see they tangle together. In this kind of thing, you don't have to trade, because when they tangle together, it's trying to tell you that the market is ranging. So you will have to wait for it to start, for this red to cross this black, and everything will now start sloping in the same direction. Do you see now? Okay, now see, when this red cross this black here, when it crosses black here, the red cross it downward. Look at them. They have not fully arranged. They are just starting. But when they came to this place, it didn't go for that. There are things we determine whether it's going to go down. So the other strategy we are going to be adding is what will tell you whether it's supposed to be down or not. So that is what I knew, that this is not going to be down. It's supposed to be up, but it was tangling. Are you seeing it? It's tangling. So the graded orange are used to check the smooth flow of price to know if it's sloping upward smoothly, sloping downward smoothly. So that was a mistake. I seen it already in $6. Yeah, since I'm going to show you, move. Okay. Now I want to show you something. You see, this is our trade. So we are going to close this trade right now and wait for another entry tomorrow. Okay. Then you hold it and click on close. Click on close here. I'll close it. So I see we have made how much? $12. Yes, we have made $12. I see that we have made 12 from $5. We have made $12. So I have shown you how you should install these indicators, and what this one do for you. So I will tell you the reason why I close that trade. Are you seeing in this place? The price has moved upward. This yellow wants to cross this blue, and they will now come cross this pink. They start sloping downward. Look at it. They will start sloping downward. I close it because I noticed that will happen very soon. So, and perhaps I have made my profits for today. Do you see it? Did you see it? I made $6. I funded $5. Profit, I made 6.69. All my money now is $12. I have doubled my account. That is 100%. Somebody that got 100% in school, that is a pass mark. So when you see this now, this is how you trade. I don't trade anyhow. I just trade within hours. So are you seeing it now? Are you seeing it? So this is the buy. That we enter. So in our next market, I'm going to be showing you how you can enter another trade. You see what I showed you in this trade. Look at what I have shown you. So this should be enough for you to earn money. Yes, earn money online. So I have shown you what you do with these ones, what you do with this one, and when you are supposed to enter, is that you come to the daily, check the candle, is buying. Then you come to 4 hour, look at the candle, is buying. You come to the 1 hour, look at the candle, is buying. Have you seen it? And secondly, it is because of the 1 hour I close this trade. The market has got it to this place before. When it was buying before. You get it to this place, it started selling. It set downward to this place. Look at it, now start buying. And when you get to this place, it started buying. and you have got it to this place, I expect it to see come down a little to sell, then before you move upward. Now, can you see what I'm telling you? Look at on the 1 minute now. It's coming to touch the pink and to start sloping downward. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you. So with this little arc, you can make yourself money. I've shown you the strategy you should use now. With this little arc, you can make yourself a lot of money. So, and I say if you want to enter a trade, make sure that this red on the 1 minute has crossed this red have crossed the black. If this price now, this is the price, this thing that is moving is the price. So when this price is moving, you now see it move above here and the red has crossed the black upward for a buy. And you come to the 5 minutes, make sure that the price now, this line here, the price has crossed the red has crossed the black on the 1 minute, then the price has crossed the red. Isn't it? The price has crossed the red on the 5 minutes. So you have crossed the red on the 5 minutes, and on the 15 minutes it has crossed the pink. This is the pink here. It has crossed the pink. You see, when the price was moving, it have not crossed the pink. It was at this point it crossed the pink. At that point it crossed the pink. So that is it. So on the 1 hour, make sure that the yellow and the blue are sloping upward. Have you seen it? Look at the way they are sloping upward. Have you seen it? They are sloping upward for a buy. Then on the 4 hour, make sure that the price is above the yellow. It's above this yellow on the 4 hours. Then on the daily, the price is above the yellow and the blue have crossed. Seen it? So that's how we go on this little arc. I will repeat it again. I said on the 1 minute, make sure the red has crossed the black and is sloping upward for a buy. Cross the red downward for a sell, but for a buy, this thing is vice versa. Anything you are taking note on for a buy is what you will take note on for a sell. The red has crossed the black and is sloping upward. Then that is upward on the 1 minute. Then on the 5 minutes, the red, the price is above the red and is sloping upward. On the 15 minutes, the price has crossed the pink. Look at where it crossed the pink here. It was moving from here, but I have not crossed the pink. But at this point, it crossed the pink. You enter there. Then you come to H1. Make sure that the yellow and the blue are sloping upward, and look at this place. This is where they cross. You see, it means your entry should be here, around here. To make your entry around here. So on the H4, the price is above the yellow. Then on the D1, you see the price is also above the yellow. So this is how you make your entry. So I have made my money just within some hours. You see that money that we made? We funded with how many? This is amount here. We funded with $5. We have made 6.71. Are you seeing it? Everything now the balance now is now 11.69. So this is how you make your money. So if you want, the advanced training will teach you how you can enter this trade and make it for days. Are you seeing it? The advanced training is what will make you to know that this will go down. You see, it's already going downward. It's already going downward. So with the advanced training, you will know how you can enter a trade for days. Like this trade now has lasted for 3 days. This bear is going up and it will still go up. Like this, how you can trade it for a very long time. The advanced training will show you, and the advanced training is what will help you to just take your trade and have peace of mind. So this one that you are taking now should help you to trade appropriately. So it should help you. So this is what I want you to do. So you pay for my training, welcome. So let's go and start making money. Cool cash. You see, I've made my money now. It's time to pray. I said it's time to pray. You made your money, you do other things with your life. Although this is 2:32, so let me pray. I can say this thing, but I'm not selling. You don't know. There is a strategy I'm seeing. You are not seeing it. That I can use to know that this thing will sell to this place. Let me tell you, it will sell to here. It will sell to this point. Or we sell to this point. It will now go up again. So I will end this here. So to get the advanced training, very affordable. And thanks for those that paid for this training. So